Hello people, welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. I kick off with the Euro USD. So let's look at Euro USD. The market week has ended, so let's see how Euro USD has played out. Now on my last video on Euro USD, I called a breakout of this major level of support, at least pullback. We expect to pull back. I called the pullback in my previous video. If you doubt me, please go watch my previous videos on Euro USD. You see that I call this pullback. It has pulled back, so we expect Euro USD to drop. But even before it start, but even Euro USD is to drop, it has to come test the support level first. If the support level is able to clear, Euro USD will start dropping. But at the same time, and also I started to look at the chart again, that there is possibility that we might have price coming to this level of resistance bar right here. Yes, yes, because I'm looking at the trend. From right here we have a high, a low, a high, a low. This might be looking like a retracement, a higher high and higher low before price can come here. Now on the daily time frame, we have a chart pattern that has formed: left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this chart pattern breakout of the neckline. It has been tested, and it has I mean it has retested it, and price is expected to sell down to this support level, to attempt this support level again before pushing to the downside. Now, and also if we look at this properly, we can see that I take that again. If we look at this, we can see that this is a setup. This is a setup for a buy opportunity to come attempt this green bar. Now, two things are going to happen right now on Euro USD. Two things are going to happen. This is a chart pattern. This is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is a head and shoulder chart pattern. And price has break out of the neckline. It has retested it, and we expect price to sell down to this level right here. If this level is taken out, if this support level is taken out, if it's taken out, Euro USD will be free to sell down. But if it's not taken out and we have a double bottom here right here, price come right here to form a base, a chart pattern right here, and Euro USD is able to break out of this trend line right here, is coming to attempt this green bar again. So let's go back to the higher time frame to still have a clearer direction. Now right here, now on the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, we can see that the trend on Euro USD is bearish overall. It has been bearish since many years back. We draw out the trend line. We can see that yes, indeed, Euro USD is bearish, and also price has even break out of the trend line right here. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see more details. So now on the weekly time frame, both the monthly and the weekly time frame are both saying the same thing, and also we have a breakout and a retest has happened on the weekly time frame. It has breakout of the trend line, and price has also pulled back to test the trend line, to test the outer part of the trend line on the weekly time frame. And also even on the weekly time frame, the weekly candles are not closing with a healthy sell momentum. As you can see, they are closing with a weak indecision candle pin bar. So so we have how many weeks of candle is this? 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We have a month candle, a month sell candle. They are not selling with a strong sell. They are not selling with a strong sell. So now we might have a push up to this green bar. If at all Euro USD will still come down, at least it has to come right here on the weekly time frame to test this resistance level for the second attempt. This previous high, it needs to test it before price will come down. That is if it hold. When price gets here, it has to attempt this level for the second attempt. If it hold, Euro USD will sell down. But if it did not hold, Euro USD will come to this resistance level right here. Like I've said earlier, we have drawn the trend line. Price has broke out of the trend line. It has pulled back to retest the outer part of the trend line, and so even on the weekly time frame, it is not printing with a healthy sell candle. The candles are weak. They are not giving us a strong healthy sell candle on the weekly time frame. So price might break out of this trend line, right? And the price might break out right here to attempt this green bar. If this green bar of resistance is taken out, Euro USD will come right here. But when price gets here and is unable to break out, if there are strong selling pressure right here, price will sell down right here. So let's go to the weekly time frame. To the daily time frame. So let me take this trend line out. Now we are back on the daily time frame. I was calling Euro USD to sell down right here, but at the same time I look at the chart again, that I have to ensure that what the sell is a sure sell. I keep looking at it. So we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. And also, this is a chart pattern: left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this is the neckline. Price has broke out of the neckline. It has retested, and we expect price to what to continue selling down. Before price will continue selling down, it has to come to this support level again for the second attempt. If the second attempt, if price sell down, it pull back, it retested. It has retested it. Previous level of support are now turning resistance. So price is coming. Price is coming. So it has breakout, it has retested. So price is expected to come test this support level. If this support level is cleared, in fact, the deciding factor on Euro USD, if Euro USD will sell down right here, is price has to get here, attempt this support level again for the second attempt. Price came back, price pushed down, it attempted, it bounced off for a retest. We expect price to come right here again to attempt this support level again for the second attempt. If this support level is taken out, and if this support level is taken out, Euro USD will sell down. But when price come to this level and it form a base, it form a chart pattern, and price attempt and price should attempt this resistance level. This resistance level again, and we see candlestick closing above this place. Ladies and gentlemen, Euro USD will attempt this green bar, and if this green bar is cleared, Euro USD will elevate right here. But if this green bar is not cleared and it hold for a double top, Euro USD will sell down. Like I've said earlier, the deciding factor on Euro USD, if Euro USD will come down right here, is this support level right here. If this support level is taken out, because definitely price is still coming right here to attempt this support level again. If the support level is taken out and we see and we see more sell, a pullback, we sell Euro USD down. But for now, Euro USD we have to come right here if at all it wants to come up. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now we are right on the 4-hour time frame to see more candlestick. So now this was the resistance level right here. This was the resistance level right here. So I call this breakout a pullback. It has happened, and Euro USD is expected to come right here to attempt this resistance, this support level again. This was acting as a resistance level in the past before price break through it, and price has come again to create a support level. It has put back. Price is definitely coming right here to attempt this level again. If this resistance level is clear, if this level is cleared, I repeat, if this level is cleared, Euro USD will sell down. But if it should hold, let me take that. But if it should hold, Euro USD will sell back up. Now, now what I'm expecting on Euro USD is something like this. If this level should hold, I take that again. It's coming like this. If it's coming like this, if it should hold for a double bottom right here, it's coming like so. A retest right here, pull back, and Euro USD we attempt this support level. We attempt this resistance level again. And if that did not happen, and we see price push back down, if that did not happen, and we see price break like so, a pullback, we sell Euro USD to the downside right here. So like I said, two things are going to happen. It's either price break out of this level and push up, pull back, we sell, or price form a base here, double bottom, push up, a retracement, we go long again. So so this is my prediction on Euro USD. So with what I'm seeing right now, is that we might see Euro USD price lasting up. We might see Euro USD price attempting this trend line, break out of it, and come right here to attempt this level again. If the level is taken out, Euro USD will push up to the future level of resistance, and if price should get here, we pull back, we sell. So that is my prediction on Euro USD. If you have watched this video to this very end, please smash that subscribe button right there. Thank you for staying in tune. Bye for now.